Yeah, hi guys. We're here at the airport, me and my sister. Yeah, okay. So we're just waiting to board the flight to Samoa. Okay. Drink a coffee. Sit there and finish. Okay guys, I'm so puffed out because I went to the chemist. Okay, to look for my sister's thing, injection. Now we gotta sit here till they call us to come in, get on our flight, and I'm so puffed out. Wait. I'm so puffed out, sis. What do you got to say?
Fine.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get ready to go.
Yeah, you know her. Troublemaker. Real Cheers. Troublemaker. No, she's not. My other sister in Melbourne, she's troublemaker. Her name's Lynette. Okay, shh, don't say anything. Yeah, bye. Finally on the flight, guys. Finally on the flight. Okay. So the girl left a space between me and my sister, so we're quite lucky. Anyway, here's the flight. Not so crowded. You have a look. What? Don't say that. Don't. Yeah, my sister said that she needs the extension. I don't think so. She's quite slim. Okay guys, stop teasing my sister. Okay, I'm going to put you away. So we're going to put my seatbelt on. I don't need extension, guys. Actually, I need a reduction. Okay, yeah, passe fois. Okay, see you in Samoa, okay guys, because I'm going to sleep all the way through. And unless the food comes, then I'll wake up, okay? I'm trying to let the food go past and then I don't do anything. Okay, I'll ask him. I thought you were joking. Are you sure? Damn it, I never asked for an extension. Guys, she wasn't joking. Okay. Oh, what about this one? The girl behind me. Excuse me, you got an extension belt, please? Thank you. Okay, I'll ask him. Excuse me, you got an extension belt? Oh, thank you so much. Thanks. There you go, sister. I didn't think you needed it. So it was way bigger than you. So what was he doing? Pretending to put it on. Can my, oh, sorry sis, my camera look outside. Look how horrible the rain is, huh? Oh, not horrible for the grass. Okay guys, see you in Samoa. Wailua. Yeah, okay. Mufali. Well, I've arrived in Samoa, guys. I'm here at Whaliolo airport, waiting for Ava's car to be delivered wherever he's gone. It's raining here today. It was pouring when we got out of the plane. That looks like a prison up there, look. Okay. Oh, Speedy Gonzales. Okay. Looks like I go to get our ride. See? This is all the rental places. Oh, that poor couple. They're still lost. Don't know how to get to where they have to go for their... Please don't touch. See that sign? So please don't touch. Here comes our ride. Okay, thank you. Okay. Nè khang e ko kongi vai hi ha mai. I got a water. Oh yeah. One for my sister. Yeah, okay. Make that apple. Oh, okay. Thank you. Faleolo. Airport, guys. Hi. Aquí mo ngay aso.
Mày nhập qua kiếm muốn nghe gì hay nghĩ
Dạ à, ngày để vậy sao?
anh em hay luôn để vậy chị về đồ bạn đây để quỳ lại vậy không có mà
Yeah, can you do this? See, mặt nghi ngờ quay recording of them, yeah? Hey, shut up! Get down! Stop! Samoa! We're back in Samoa, guys, and two local girls getting all thingy-majiggy. Trying to steady this camera. Huh? Okay. You know, when I check my my video, it always looks like you're speeding, but you're not even. It's just the way the film is. Maybe there was something that can stabilize it, but never mind. Fish. Oh yeah. Fish. There's more to see. I hope they fixed the roads. Remember the last time we came? There was a big potholes. Oh, look at that old man in his hut. Oh, cute. David Tour. Where? Faleacu. Faleacui. Is it? Ah, Faleacui. Faleacu. Yeah. Buenga. Pasi Fariolo. Ahí, I read that. Yeah, some ladies doing their shopping. Faye lúc đây. Ui, Faye mày ơi ngã lắm nhé. Không cái đây đó. It says it on a board đây. Steady and steady. Oh, look at the bananas. Samoa auto. Yeah, yeah. Vai fazer o... It's a Makeki thing. I don't know. How cool. Passakokai. Passakokai. Yeah, the Faye maka hai ilo fuck. Oh, I was too busy watching. Oh, kikilo. Woi lai puelo fuck. Lai papeka. Oh, double days. Fussy to tai. Yeah. Chicken wiper. Hả? Đưa đồng nguyên hả? Dạ, đưa đồng nguyên hả? Faye. Ah, yeah. Oh, there goes that poor family, that poor couple. Oh, they should follow us, and then at least we can take them into town.
Oh, like you already tell.
Yeah, but they don't know where to go. We don't know where to go, but at least they can follow us into town. Dorothy store. No funny. Oh, look at the sun. Ui, để phạt cao nhiều đây, đã đi kinh. What is it? Oh yeah, they look fresh, like they just got husked. Ui, oh, this is where we stopped by the barbecue last time and they had ran out. So we didn't get any. Mà ngay lúc con cá cái phải sang pha lôi yung dumolong Fai ah. We lived here, we'll get us a shop. If we lived here, we'll do us a shop.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't see it. Bugger. Hey, don't you be badass, guys. eh? Oh, well, at least the rain, that big rain stopped. Angale, but ai ako ale kibu e sau fuse. Le kangi mai la. We'll stop and over ai mai fapi. Wait. No. Yeah, but it's feeling ali said my what is it? Oh, pengi by flat by. Yeah, vale Makeki lele. It's the Makeki, eh? So vale luai. There's a white one like our one. No, they're back at the shop. I think they're going to ask for more details in how to get to wherever. This car's better than the last car we got, eh? Fukuoka. Yeah, Fukuoka, hey guys. Yeah, I got a water for you. Yeah, hold and I'll turn the twist it down the bottom. Yeah, there we go. Oh, it might be icy. No, I got you a water one. Yeah. I went and helped myself in the fridge. Hey, if their car's gonna cost that much, but it was a complimentary drink. I'm going to offer you. Is it alright? If I make come, yeah, don't worry, honey. I beg your pardon, I'm married. Very polite. No, I like polite service. You know. So she was very polite. And I like. Oh, stop rolling. This stupid camera. That can't be helped, eh? Because it's this bumpy road. Oh, look at him and his his work. So you know what's funny, Frosty? Where's this place? Faye. Yeah. No, you know what's funny? We've come again, and it looks different. It doesn't look the same. We weren't even gone that long, but it looks different. Because lane ma sang maka, you know. But once you keep coming all the time, we'll know what it is and where it is and what it is. Oh, what's he carrying? Food? How the fuck young are you? Huh? Which one? This one? Faye. Here's your new. What is it? I was going to sing you. Oh, you better hurry, sis. What a nice bus, Manono. That's where some of our mum's family too, Manono. It's like a little island, huh? So how many people there? 5?